Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not installed on Google Maps. We click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above you can search about maps or Google Maps. Then you can click on first step and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.